No.
Wait, turn it on.
It's on.
What?
Hold on to it tight. Oh shit. Don't let go, don't let go. Oh, fuck. Whoa. Oh, shit. Hold on tight. You okay? Oh, shit. Ooh, we're really out there, huh? Oh, fuck. Woo. Gosh. Oh, no, 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 no. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Don't let go. Woo. Stop, stop screaming too much. You might think you're actually don't want to go anymore. I don't know. Look at it. Look. Whoa, shit. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, fuck. Whoa, whoa, shit. Come on, face your fears. Yes. Here, hold on to it tight. Woo. Yeah, you got it. Almost done. All right. What?
Let's teamwork. If you feel it tilting, tilt the other way.
Oh, yeah. But just hold on tight. This will not flip. Whoa, whoa. I was like, 10 minutes is too short. Now I'm like, this is too fucking long. Whoa! He's gonna do it again. Hold on. Hold on tight. Yep. And he's gonna swing at us, so careful. Hold on tight. Woo! No shit. Woo! Oh fuck! Whoa. Whoa. Oh fuck! Whoa. Oh, hold. Wait, what? Whoa. Straighten your legs. There you go. Straighten your legs. Hold on to it tight. You're doing great. He's trying to show off for the camera. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Are you okay? Say hi to it. The camera.
Don't do this if you have a heart problem, if you don't have a good grip. I'm not doing that again.
Yeah?
Maybe not until I'm brave enough again.
Oh, okay.
Oh.